Ever spent minutes searching for your keys in a morning rush? Frustration starts your day, but it doesn't have to. Imagine a world where you never have to scramble for your keys again. Enter the magnetic key holder, a simple solution that sticks right by your door. Just attach your keys to this nifty device whenever you come home. Alternatively, dedicate a small bowl or hook in a consistent spot for your keys. This straightforward hack not only saves precious morning minutes, but also slices through early stress. Start your day smoothly, knowing exactly where your keys are. Choosing an outfit can be a battleground. Simplify it. Imagine opening your wardrobe to find your clothes neatly organized not by type, but by entire outfits. Utilize multi-layer hangers to drape a week's worth of outfits, from shirts to trousers and even accessories. This not only saves precious time each morning, but also combats decision fatigue. With everything pre-arranged, you breeze through your morning routine without the stress of mixing and matching. Pick your outfit in a snap and enjoy a peaceful morning. Kitchen clutter or long meal prep times sound familiar. Let's tackle that with some nifty kitchen hacks. First up, grab those binder clips from your office drawer. Not just for papers, these handy tools can seal and neatly hang your chip bags, keeping snacks fresh and cabinets organized. Next, consider spending a bit of time on Sundays to pre-cut vegetables for the week. This not only saves precious minutes on busy evenings, but also keeps your fridge neat and accessible. Turn your kitchen into a zone of efficiency with these simple tricks. A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Ever noticed how a messy workspace can distract from the task at hand? By adopting a minimal desk setup, one clears the stage not just for better productivity, but also for enhanced mental clarity. Consider crafting your own DIY organizers or trays. These can be simple, creative projects that not only save money, but also tailor the space uniquely to your needs. Manage those pesky supplies and unruly cables with style. Enhance your productivity with a workspace that breathes clarity. Remember, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Let's quickly recap: a magnetic key holder to unlock your day, planning outfits for a streamlined wardrobe, some swift kitchen fixes, and tidying up your workspace for elevated productivity. Now here's a challenge. Try out at least one of these hacks this week. Whether it's the magnetic key holder or organizing your desk, give it a go and see how it transforms your routine. Adopt these hacks, simplify your life, and don't forget to share your success stories.